What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So today this video is brought to you by one of my awesome sponsors, GoGoCarbon. You've seen videos from them in the past. They've sponsored this awesome carbon fiber trunk garnish, the exhaust cap overlays for Hulk. I'm talking about door handle covers, door bowl covers, even on the inside. This is one of the newest additions, right? Is Access Sport cover overlay. This lower trim piece for my steering wheel. This glove box cover overlay on that part right there and that side. Even this fender vent overlay right here, guys. I'm gonna put links to those various videos. I'm even gonna put videos, because you can only list 5 links per video up to the upper right hand corner of this screen. So I'm gonna list 5 added videos that you could click on to see any various installation. But the reason why I'm doing this today is I did a previous video in the past where we did this side view mirror cover cap overlay. This is for the top portion. This was for the 15 to 21 WRXSTI that actually had this running light turn signal feature right here. They also carry the one that doesn't have this feature as well. So today we're going to be doing the lower cover, the carbon fiber piece for the lower cover of the side view mirror for the 15 to 21 WRXSTI. And obviously they make awesome products. Look at that weave. 3K twill weave with a UV resistant coating to protect the finish. And the reason why I'm doing this, a couple years ago I had my lower pieces wrapped in green, as you saw from the time lapse on the intro, and obviously now you see me right here putting this stuff on because it's time to step up my game. Okay, I just want to show you how easy this is going to be. I put the lower portion of the side view mirror back in, and I wanted to show how easy it is to take it out. You just turn the mirror like that, and there's a notch right here on the corner. You can put a pry tool in there or use your finger and just pull forward, and that's really it. It's not hard to come off. Not hard to come off at all, especially for me. I've taken this off so many times. So that's why I said all you need is a pry tool. And testing out the fitment of this, I'll show you real quick. Fits like a glove, and I mean perfect fit. So all you got to do, peel off the low profile 3M tape. Now guys, it is cold over here, but I've had this car out in the sun. I've even had the parts out in the sunlight so that the 3M tape can adhere. Also, please wipe down the surface of your side view mirror. As you saw, I just took off the wrap that's been on mine for a couple years. There was a carbon fiber wrap. Now, obviously, when you wrap anything and you pull it off, it's super clean, because obviously we cleaned it before we wrapped it. Okay? So all you're gonna see me doing right now is peeling off the 3M tape, sticking it and putting it back, and let's go. All right, guys, quick tip. Sorry, I was very silent OCD type when I was doing this. So when you're doing this, you match up the edges first, okay? Match up the edges first. Make sure the OEM piece from the car and the carbon fiber piece is almost smooth and level when you rub your hand across it, okay? And also this corner portion right here, this corner portion has like a little notch right here. Make sure the corner sits in that pocket well, okay? So you're lightly putting it, and then once you see everything lines up, squeeze it in. And let me tell you, this 3M tape is pretty damn good. And that's it. Let's snap these boys back in. Same way you took it off, the same way you put it back on. This is one side right here. Look how beautiful that looks. That shit looks so seamless. Look how beautiful that looks in the sun. I'll include some pics at the end of the video so you can really see the beauty of this thing, man. Wow. Check out this side real quick. So as I said, the same way you took it off, the same way you put it back in. Just line that up right there. I could do this with one hand. Make sure that tab goes inside. Okay, start snapping it in. You hear click, clicks. There you go. snap it in and that's it. Whew. Nice and flush, boy. Beautiful piece. Full coverage. It's nice. Nice, nice, nice. Nice job. Beautiful product, man. It feels a little strange without my green, but this thing is badass, man. So it's matching so much carbon pieces right now. It's crazy. Look how beautiful that looks. So nice. So nice. Get a little bit of a different angle here. Beautiful piece, man. Beautiful piece. But anyway, guys, definitely like, subscribe, comment. In the description in this video, I'm going to leave links to GoGoCarbon's Amazon store where you can get 10% off certain products. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to take this ride with me. Another dope install for another great product. That's my time, guys. I'll talk to y'all soon. Take it easy.